Solving a system of quadratic equations using substitution. My first equation is x plus y equals 4, which is a linear equation. Second equation is x squared equals 3y minus 8, which is a quadratic equation. So the first thing I want to do is solve this first equation for y. So I have x plus y equals 4. I want to subtract x from both sides. That will give me y equals negative x plus 4. Now I want to solve, or I want to substitute negative x plus 4 into the y variable here. So let me rewrite the second equation. X squared equals 3y minus 8. X squared equals 3. Substitute the negative x plus 4 in for the y. Negative x plus 4 minus 8. X squared equals 3 times negative x is negative 3x. 3 times 4 is 12. Carry this minus 8. X squared equals negative 3x. 12 minus 8 is 4. Now I want to move both of these terms to the left side of the equation. I have x squared. Add 3x to both sides. I have plus 3x. Subtract 4 from both sides. I have minus 4 equals 0. So now I want to solve this for x. So this will factor into the product of two binomials. I have an x here, an x here. This negative sign here tells me that the sign of the numbers are going to be different. So one's going to be plus, the other's going to be negative. This positive sign right here tells me that the largest of the two factors is going to be positive. So what two numbers can I multiply together to get 4? And if I subtract them, I get 3. Well, that's 4 and 1. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. So 4 and 1. This positive again tells me that the largest of the two numbers is going to be the 4. Okay, so now I set each of these terms, each of these factors equal to 0. So I have x plus 4 equals 0. And I have x minus 1 equals 0. Solve this for x. I get x equals negative 4 here. Solve this x. Get x equals 1. So my two x values are negative 4 and 1. So my next step is to determine the y values that go with those x values. So I'm going to use y equals negative x plus 4 and substitute the values that I have for x into that equation to get my y values. So let me write y equals negative x plus 4 right here. Y equals negative x plus 4. And I'm going to substitute x equals negative 4 in for this x. And I'm also going to do the same thing. Y equals negative x plus 4 with the x equal to 1. Find the y value. So let's first take the x equals negative 4. So I have y equals negative 4 plus 4. Y equals negative 4 is 4 plus 4. Y equals 4 plus 4 is 8. Now let's solve y for x equal to 1. So I substitute 1 in for x. And I have y equal to negative 1 plus 4, or y equals 3. So the solution is x equals negative 4, y equals 8, and x equals 1 and y equals 3. That's my final answer. I hope that helps.